fam. This is Divine Collections, and I just wanted to come at you with a video on how to install knotless braids. And this is a more natural effect, giving a more natural effect. So I have the hair has been moisturized with Shine and Jam conditioning gel extra hold, and this was purchased at my local beauty supply. So I have that in my handy bucket, and I have her hair, like I said, moisturized and ready to go. Her scalp was also lubricated with Blue Magic Originals super short grow, and it says less breakage means longer hair. So this was also purchased from my local beauty supply, and but you can use any pomade to moisturize the scalp of your choice. We want to make sure that their scalp is not dry while their protective style is in. So now to get to it, I have the hair all sectioned. I have little pieces of hair in my rack right here. I can't lift it up, but I have the hair in the rack. You can see. Put your head back. So all the hair is right here in the rack. So I just wanted to show you all that and little pieces. So I just wanted to start, like with knotless braids, we want to make sure that we have a natural start and natural look with a smooth transition from the natural hair to the extension. Okay, so we want to make sure that we have a natural look and a natural transition. Okay, so that's what we want. So we're gonna start with the hair that we're using. Actually, we have some colored hair that we're using because she wanted some colored hair. Her birthday is actually approaching, and she just wanted to, just have a little flair and whatnot. Because normally we just get natural colors like brown and dark brown and whatnot. So we have here some greens and some pinks. Okay. Okay. Or is this blue? Yeah, blue or turquoise and pink. Okay. So now we are gonna be starting. Okay. I just wanted to angle it just enough so that you all can be able to see what I'm doing. So like I said, the hair has been pre-moisturized, and I'm just gonna start with her own hair. Okay. So if you can see what I'm doing, I have the 3 legs that are the foundation of every braid. Okay. You can see that. Stay forward. Okay. You can see that there's 3 legs here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So I'm gonna start off with like you would do like a natural regular braid. Okay. And make sure you're holding it taut. Okay. So you go like with 1 swivel of your hand. Then you would add the first piece of hair right on the top of your hand. Okay. But you would release the left side. Okay. Releasing the left side, and then adding that left side, kind of like rotating it over to the right side. And okay, that's what you would do at first. Then you would pick out another piece of hair right over your hand. So you're doing it like you would do a Ghana braid, but or a feed-in braid, right? So this is like basically a feed-in technique on an individual braid. That's exactly what the knotless technique is. Okay, so that's exactly what we're doing. Okay, we're gonna add a 3rd piece on the top like we would a Ghana braid. Okay, we'll add it right there, releasing on the left side this other piece, and then rotating it to this side, as you can see. Hopefully you all can see. And then we're gonna continue the braid. Now I'm gonna, if you can see my hand, I'm gonna put my hand down, okay, to make it easier for me to add some more hair. And you should always you should always have like pre-measured in your mind the thickness that you want the hair to be. Okay. So now we're gonna add the third piece. I mean, sorry, the fourth piece. Just stay forward and stay still. It's always a challenge sometimes trying to keep them still. Okay. So, alrighty. So we're gonna add the hair underneath my hand, and just like you would a Ghana braid. And we're gonna continue the process. Okay. The bottom line is to have that the knotless look. We want the knotless look, but we want the security of a regular box braid. We don't want a knotless look with the hair slipping out or you know and whatnot. So even though we started the hair with the natural hair, but we're just gonna the approach is gonna be like we were doing you know, like a feed in or something. So we're just, you know, we're gonna go on the process of braiding the hair like we would any other hair that we have. Just braid it down. And making sure that we're smoothing along the extension and stuff, and I usually, when I'm braiding the hair, after I go past where her hair is, her natural hair is, I start adding the pomade to smooth out the hair. And then you're also weighing out the other hair and seeing how the length of the hair, and if you need to add some more hair to make sure that it measures up, because you don't want some of the hairs too short and some too long, unless you want the layered look, and that's what you want to achieve. So we're just gonna braid it down. Yeah, and actually she can braid as well. So to make it faster, I've been giving her the braid to finish up herself. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna braid it all down myself. Okay. So I just kind of like just really wanted to demonstrate exactly what I was doing, to let you guys know how I'm doing my own knotless braids, and so that you can, you know, feel secure as well doing yours on whoever. Okay, so I'm finishing up the knotless braid. As you can see it, I don't want to get it off the frame. So I'm finishing up the knotless braid, and okay, and so I've gotten to the length that I'm okay with. So I always try to make my knots. Some people don't, but I like that for extra security. It's still gonna be dipped in hot water, you know, for a smooth transition and a seamless look, and to seal the ends and whatnot. But I just do that period anyway, regardless. So again, I just wanted to come at you with a video, another knotless braids video. I know I have a couple already, several on YouTube, but as I just feel that as I'm improving my process and as I'm growing in it and as I'm transitioning in my process, that is important for me to share as well. You know, so just as I'm going in my journey, learning more, and getting better, improving, and I hope that you can draw from what I'm learning and you know, and learn yourselves. You know, so if you have any questions or comments, you know, to help me on better ways to improve my knotless braids process, yeah, you have any experiences that you have had as well, please share in the comments, and you know, share this video, like it, and like I said, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and you remain blessed.